Today I'm going to show you just how easy it is to shred chicken using your KitchenAid mixer. You're going to need the flat paddle for this one, and you're going to need some cooked chicken. I threw some plain chicken in the crock pot today. You could also cook it in the oven or on the stove, however you like to cook your chicken. We're just going to put the chicken right in the KitchenAid mixer and turn your KitchenAid on the lowest speed. That took about 30 seconds at the most to shred this chicken. This would have taken me a lot longer to do with a fork. I'm gonna take it and pour it back into my Ninja slow cooker crock pot because I've got all the juices in here. From here, you could season it any way you want, or maybe you already seasoned it. This would make great shredded chicken taco meat. You could make chicken curry with this, chicken soup. So many things you could do. All I know is every time I have to do shredded chicken, it is so much easier with a KitchenAid.
We haven't met yet. My name's Sara and I'm the mom next door. I'm all about finding ways to live life better and sharing what I learn with all of you. I invite you to hit subscribe and join the virtual village.